Good morning class. Now today we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. The chapter is first the sentences. Now all of you open your book and come on page number 9. Page number 9, exercise number 2. So here exercise says write an example of each kind of sentences. You know there are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences and interrogative sentences. Here the question is asking you, exercises is asking you to write an example of each kinds of sentences. Means you have to write the example of assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. So here present the answer of this exercise. You have to write it in your copy like this: exercise 2, today's date and classwork, and then question, write an example of each kinds of sentence. First one is assertive. You have to write assertive and then you will give an example of assertive. I have given example, honesty is the best policy. Now the second one, interrogative. In interrogative sentence I have given example, where do you stay. Now the third one, imperative sentence, I have written clean your room. Exclamatory sentence, how fast he runs. Now let's see exercise number 3. Identify and write the kinds of sentences in the space provided. You have to identify, okay, and then write the kinds of sentences. Firstly you just identify and then write the kinds of sentences in the space provided. Means which kinds of sentences is this? The second one, the first one, the third one, all. Okay, so here present the answer. First one, Akbar was a great Mughal king. Which types of sentence is this? This is assertive sentence because this is just a statement. Now the second one, what is your father's name? Here this sentence is asking question, so this is interrogative sentence. You have to write interrogative. Now the third one, shut up. Here someone is ordering you, that's why this is imperative sentence. Please be quiet. Here someone is requesting you, that's why this is imperative sentence. Now the fifth one, he has a good memory. Okay, here it is a simple statement, so assertive sentence. What a beautiful dress this is. Here you can see the exclamation mark, so this is exclamatory sentence. May she be blessed by God. This is also imperative sentence because someone is just wanted to give you blessing. In actual, if we see, it is an optative sentence, but we haven't learned about optative sentence, so we can say imperative sentence. Now eighth one, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This is an assertive sentence. How cold the night is. Here you can see exclamation mark, this is exclamatory sentence. Who stood first in your class? Here this sentence is asking question, that's why this is an interrogative sentence. How sad she looked yesterday. This here you can see exclamation mark, so this is exclamatory sentence. Now the 12th one, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Here it is a simple statement, so this is assertive sentence. Okay, now he is not a brave boy. This is a simple sentence. You can say this is assertive sentence in the negative form because you can see no, not, never, so here is not. Now let's see next one. I could not pass this exam. This is a simple sentence, so we will write assertive and in the bracket negative because here we can see not in this. Now the last one, the earth revolves around the sun. This is simple sentence statement, so we will write assertive sentence. Now let's see, this 2 exercises has been done and now we are going to do exercise number 4. Exercise 4 is asking change the kinds of sentences as directed. Means you have to change the kinds of sentences as the exercises says. जैसे exercises आपको बोला है कि इसको इस सेंटेंस में चेंज करना है, आपको उसी तरह से यहाँ पे दिए हुए सेंटेंस को चेंज कर देना है इस काइंड में. फर्स्ट वन, Is she a bad person? You have to change this sentence in an assertive way. Now here present the answer. Is she a bad person? If we have to change this interrogative sentence in an assertive sentence, what we will write? We will write she is a bad person. Now the second one, Ravi reads the letter. You can see this sentence in a positive way. Now you have to change it in a negative sentence. So you will write Ravi does not read the letter. Hari ate the ice cream. You have to change it in interrogative. So you will write did Hari eat the ice cream, and then we will put question mark. Fourth, can you please get me a glass of water? You have to change it in an imperative sentence. So we will write please get me a glass of water. Okay. Now the fifth one, is this a nice dress? You have to change this in an exclamatory sentence. So you will write what a nice dress, and then you will put exclamation mark. Now sixth, you should brush your teeth every day. Imperative, brush your teeth every day. Now seventh one, the puppy is not weak. You have to change this in a declarative sentence. If you see, this is already a declarative sentence. Okay, so you will write the same, the puppy is not weak. Now eighth one, she found an old book in the library. You have to change it in an exclamatory sentence. Then you will write oh, she found an old book in the library, and with oh you will have to put exclamation mark. The stars are twinkling in the sky. You have to change this assertive sentence in an interrogative sentence. So you will write are the stars twinkling in the sky. Now last, nobody was present that day. You have to change this negative sentence into interrogative sentence. Then you will write was anybody present that day. So here we have done all the exercises of this chapter, exercise 2, 3 and 4. You have to write all these exercises in your copy, and in the next class I will check. Now we are going to learn lesson number 2, subject and predicate. So in the next video I will cover subject and predicate.